China's robot development is making headlines, but it's not just about futuristic technology for convenience. China has been actively pushing forward in the field of robotics, with major implications for the global balance of power in both economic and military sectors, from cutting-edge AI-driven machines to humanoid robots capable of incredible feats. China's recent robot exhibits have unveiled groundbreaking technologies that could reshape industries and alter the global stage. But is this just a showcase of innovation, or is there a larger plan at play? China's ambitions for robotics dominance. China's robotics industry has grown exponentially, thanks to the National Strategic Plan, Made in China 2025, which aims to elevate China from the world's manufacturing hub to the global leader in high-tech industries, particularly in robotics and artificial intelligence. The government has invested heavily in this sector, providing funding, research support, and policy frameworks to accelerate the development of advanced robots. China is home to over 200 robotics companies, and its industrial robot installations make up more than half of the global market. The country's focus isn't just on quantity, but also on innovation. By 2030, China aims to lead the world in AI technology, and robotics will be a crucial element of that vision. This ambition positions China not just as a leader in mass production, but also as a powerhouse in next-generation technological development. The World Robot Conference 2024, a display of power. The World Robot Conference 2024, held in Beijing, was a massive platform where China showcased its advancements in robotics. This event featured thousands of robotic technologies across industries, like healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, and even entertainment. Some of the highlights were robots that could perform precise surgeries, service robots assisting elderly care, and even autonomous machines designed for city infrastructure management. One of the most striking trends from the exhibit was the rapid progress in AI integration with these robots. Not only are the robots more intelligent, but they're also designed to learn and adapt over time, becoming more efficient as they process data. This exhibit sent a clear message. China is not just keeping up with the global robotics race, it's setting the pace. The rise of humanoid robots. At the exhibit, humanoid robots were among the most eye-catching innovations. China has been heavily investing in humanoid robots that can interact seamlessly with humans. These robots have advanced AI systems, allowing them to process conversations, recognize emotions, and respond intelligently. One of the key features of these humanoid robots is their potential role in public services and education. Some can assist in teaching, guide people through hospitals, or provide customer service in retail environments. For example, humanoid robots at the exhibit demonstrated their ability to perform tasks like answering complex questions, assisting with medical diagnosis, and even holding basic conversations. This leap in human-robot interaction signals the beginning of a new era where robots will blend more naturally into everyday life. China's humanoid robots are powered by neural network systems, enabling them to improve their responses and abilities over time. This is where AI plays a significant role. They're not just programmed to complete repetitive tasks, but they can also learn from their experiences, making them more capable as they interact with people. AI-driven automation for global industries. China is pushing the limits of robotic automation across multiple industries, positioning itself as a leader in fields like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. In particular, China's robots are being used in smart factories, which are capable of running almost entirely on automation. For instance, in the automotive industry, robots have taken over many processes, including assembly, painting, and quality control. In logistics, autonomous delivery robots and drones are becoming more common, reducing the need for human labor and improving efficiency. These robots can navigate complex environments, analyze data in real time, and make independent decisions without human intervention. This push toward AI-driven automation is expected to dramatically reshape global supply chains. China's advancements in robotics allow them to produce goods faster and more efficiently, giving them an edge over other industrial nations. These robots are also being tested in construction, agriculture, and retail, where automation can greatly reduce operational costs. Military robotics, a new frontier of global concern. While the robots displayed at the World Robot Conference focus on civilian and industrial applications, there's growing concern about China's advancements in military robotics. China has been increasingly incorporating AI into its military strategies and robotics play a central role in this shift. China has been developing autonomous military drones, surveillance robots, and AI-driven systems that could be used for combat or defense purposes. These robots can perform reconnaissance, patrol borders, and even execute missions without putting soldiers in harm's way. While China hasn't revealed the full extent of its military robotic capabilities, some analysts believe that they are already working on integrating AI with autonomous weapon systems, which could change the nature of warfare. The development of AI-driven military robots raises serious ethical and security concerns. Autonomous weapons that can make life or death decisions without human intervention could potentially spark new kinds of conflicts, especially if they fall outside the control of traditional military oversight. The rise of AI-powered combat robots would shift the balance of power and may provoke new tensions between global superpowers. Implications for global trade and economy. China's leadership in robotics isn't just about technology. It has profound implications for the global economy. By integrating robotics and AI into manufacturing, China has created a competitive advantage that could reshape global trade. With robots increasing production speed and efficiency, China could potentially dominate industries like electronics, automotive, and consumer goods, outpacing competitors in Europe, the US, and Japan. This development might lead to significant changes in global supply chains. China's ability to automate manufacturing processes would allow it to produce goods faster and cheaper than other nations, making it difficult for others to compete without similar levels of automation. Furthermore, China's innovation in logistics, such as using autonomous drones and robots for deliveries, could redefine how goods are transported globally, reducing costs and delivery times. As robotics become more integrated into industries, the demand for human labor could decline in certain sectors, which could lead to a rethinking of global employment structures. China's focus on robot development may also give them control over key industries like electronics and automotive, creating a new form of economic dominance. The role of artificial intelligence in China's robotics revolution. AI is at the heart of China's robotic developments. These robots aren't just mechanical arms or simple automation tools. They are intelligent systems capable of learning and adapting. With AI, robots can make decisions based on data, interact naturally with humans, and continuously improve their capabilities. China's government has made it clear that AI is a national priority. By integrating AI into their robotics initiatives, they're ensuring that their machines are more than just tools. They are intelligent collaborators. AI-driven robots have already been deployed in smart cities, healthcare facilities, and factories, and their role is only expected to grow. China's advancements in robotics and AI are undeniably impressive. From humanoid robots to autonomous industrial machines, they are shaping the future of global technology. While these innovations bring incredible opportunities, they also raise questions about China's long-term goals. Is this simply a showcase of technological prowess? Or are we seeing the beginning of a new world order where robotics and AI give China a dominant position on the global stage? As China continues to innovate, other nations will need to respond to this challenge. The future of technology may be led by robots, but who will control them and what that will mean for the world is still unfolding.